Hey guys, my name is Rohit. In this video I will show you how to add external fonts in Android Studio. Let's start. Open Android Studio. I have already created a project in it and I have also added a GIF image in it. If you don't know how to add a GIF image in your Android project, I will add YouTube link in description where I have shown how to add GIF image. Without wasting much time, let's start. Right click on Res folder, then New, then click on Android resource directory. Give directory name as font and resource type as font, then click OK. Now we have to copy and paste fonts from our drive to the font folder which we have created in the res folder. We have successfully imported external fonts in Android Studio project. Now let's implement the fonts in our main activity.xml. Now I'm creating a text view and in font family attribute I will give the font which I have imported. As you can see, we have successfully implemented external fonts in our project. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any suggestion or query, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Android Mate for more video on Android.